Let's talk about how to effectively market your business using organic strategies. Okay, so when it comes down to your business, right, you want to get the most out of it. This means you're going to promote, advertise your business so you can profit online. When it comes down to your business, you want to show up for your business. So this means you're going to have to post 3 times a day. And you're probably going to say, Camille, that's too much. I don't have time for that. Girl, I got kids, I got my husband, I got my wife, I got to go to work, so much. You can do it. If you eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, so here's the thing. When it comes down to your business, let's say you post 3 times a day. You want to be able to monitor the time frame. So this means, prime example, you post at 6 a.m. When you post at 6, you want to check between 6 and 8. You want to see the best engagement. If nothing happens, whereas nobody engaged with you, then post at 7. And then from 7 to 9, you check to see if you get the best engagement. If nothing happened, then try 8 o'clock. And it goes on and on. But you want to be able to post 3 times a day. If you can't post 3 times a day, just post 1 time. But at least do your test and trial to see the best days or the time frame that you get the engagement. Does that make sense? If you can't post once a day, then 3 times per week. Try that. Remember, you got to show up for your business. You got to treat it like a business. Because here's the thing. Let's say you have your physical store. You have the signs, the banner, and your business cards, right? It's the same way online. You just have to market it digitally. And you have to post because that's how the algorithm works. Remember, the algorithm is based on engagement. So you want to make sure you are posting as much as you can. Show up for your business. It's very important. All right. So I hope this information was able to help you out as well as giving you some clarity. Listen, if you need one-on-one coaching, I'm here for you. If you need strategies, tactics, if you want to be able to get some results between the 30 and 90 days, an action plan, I'm here for you. Book a call with me and I'll see you. Camille here.